In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable auto attachment download in Gmail app. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Gmail application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Gmail application has been opened. So in order to disable the auto attachment, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. After you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. What you have to do is simply choose your email account. Tap on your email address. After you do that, you'll be able to find various settings options over here. Simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for download attachments. If it is checked, it will auto download the attachments to recent messages via Wi-Fi. So if you want to disable it, what you have to do is simply uncheck this option. Now after you uncheck this option, auto attachment download will be disabled. So that is how you disable auto attachment download in Gmail app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.